The world is coming back to life again. Things are getting back to the way they used to be, often even better than they were before. Humans are stronger when we stand together. Our need for connection has sparked a virtual phenomenon that's engaging the world, bringing out our creativity. This is humanity in its finest moment, embracing the challenges in front of us. We are survivors. We are resilient. The future looks bright. The attitude of gratitude is our new norm. We have the power to connect with each other, especially now through different platforms. We are building our tribes, engaging our audiences, and expanding our brands online. We've got the whole world in our hands, connected around the globe, stronger than ever. People crave for connections. Are you engaging with them enough? Harness the power of social media. Your network is your net worth. You are the mayor of your own social city, and it's time to build your vibrant community.